Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the Hello Kitty Unicorn Sweet Squishmallows. So let's get started. To draw the Sweet Squishmallows, let's first start by drawing Hello Kitty's unicorn. So I'm going to come right here and I'm just going to draw a curve right for the bottom of our horn. And then I'm going to go find my center, go straight up, say about this much, give myself a point, round off this tip and come down with an angle line on both sides. Then I'm going to come in here and I'm just going to draw some curves following the bottom, maybe 4 of them. This way you can put in some color and it gives our horn some volume. There, so we have our horn in. Then from there I'm going to come up to say about right here and I'm going to start to draw the Squishmallow shape. So I'm going to come right here, just draw a big curve coming out. If you're using a pencil, definitely just draw your basic Squishmallow shape first and then put in the horn. So then I'm just going to come up on the other side about right there. And I'm going to bring this down. And about right there, I'm going to start and draw the ear on this side. So I'm going to come about right here and just draw Hello Kitty's ear. I'm going to bring out a curve right there, round off this tip a little bit and then bring it down. And so then on this side is going to be this really big bow. And I'm going to make it really big so that we don't have to draw the other ear. That way it just makes it a little bit easier. And so once again, just imagine this big Squishmallow shape. So about in this area right here, I'm just going to go ahead and just draw this big circle right in here. Nice and big so we don't have to draw the ear like I said. So one big circle about right there. So just imagining the shape. And then right here, I'm going to go ahead and just draw a big loop. And the other one on this side. Nice big bow. There. And then I'm going to come in here, just draw 2 little angle lines on both the loops. So then I'm just imagining this coming through and about right here pop back out to finish our Squishmallow shape. So like I said, if you're using a pencil, definitely draw this big curve first, then put in the horn and the bow. Makes it a lot easier. So then I'm going to continue this down. But because I'm using a Sharpie, I'm trying not to erase, so I have to draw those things in first. So from there, I'm going to bring this in to create our Squishmallow. And about right there, go ahead and connect it at the bottom with a soft curve. There. Okay, so then from there, let's bring Hello Kitty to life. So I'm going to start at the top right here, kind of where the ear is, and I'm going to start to draw a curve all the way across. I'm going to go up and down for the drizzle, and up right here. And then we can come to the center, so say about right here. Well, you know what, let's draw the eyes first. I think that'll be easier. So then about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw the eyes right under the drizzle. So I'll just draw a big oval. And same thing over here, about right here. And I'll go ahead and just put in a little highlight right here and shade everything else in. And same thing over here. And a little nose right in the center. So between the eyes right here in the center, draw a curve, round it off to create my little oval. There. Okay, so then from there, let's draw the whiskers. So kind of where the eyes are. And come right here and draw 3 whiskers. So pointing at the eye. So right here. And here. And then from there, let's draw some details at the bottom. So about right here, there's this little band that she has to separate the head and the body. And it's going to go across, so it's like a curve. So I'm going to bring a point right here, come right across, about right here, so I know where I'm going. And I'm going to basically just draw curves going over. So let's just keep going. And one more. If you're not comfortable drawing this like this, when you're using a pencil, just draw a smooth curve first and then put in the loops. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's bring this and make a braid for here. So what I like to do to create a braid is to come right, let's just say I use this one, the second one right here. I'm going to imagine this is coming down at an angle. So I'm just going to give myself a little curve. This is also coming down. So then about right there, let's just work on this first one first, and then I'm going to go ahead and connect to create this, and then this one's a lot easier. So here we go. So now we're going to go up. So now that we have that first one, go up, and then another one, go up, and we're just going to keep doing that until we finish up our braid all the way across. There, so it's always this first one's a little bit tricky, and then after that it's a lot easier to create our braid all the way across. And let's add a heart right here to make it my draw so cute, sweet Hello Kitty unicorn. And then we can add some sprinkles here. So I'm just going to draw these big sprinkles at the top to decorate. So definitely let me know in the comments below if there's any special Squishmallows you would like me to help you draw. And I hope you love Squishmallows just as much as I do. And that is pretty much it for this Hello Kitty unicorn sweet Squishmallows. I really hope I helped you draw it fun and easy, and that you love how it turned out. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.